Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to hide Instagram stories from other users. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Instagram profile and click on this 3-line icon to the upper right hand corner and click on settings, and now click on privacy and click on story, and here you will get the option to hide story from. So click on hide story from, and now select those people you want to hide your stories from. So I'm going to selecting this profile, and now click on this go back, and here we can see 2 people have been added to my hide stories list. So this was how we can hide Instagram stories from other users. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.